All right, guys, this is going to be one of your machines. Who's it gonna be? Do you feel lucky, punk? I kind of was hoping to have this graphic done, but I made it a little larger, and it's taking a little bit. But regardless, so before we get started with that, I'm going to bring you over here. We have some exciting news. Apparel Lab and Matt Fistbump. He is going to be making our shirts as well as some stickers. It's going to be a 2-pack of, or actually it's going to be a 3-pack. You'll get one shirt and you'll get 2 stickers, $25. I'm kind of excited about the back of these. It's really cool. It's going to be our sticker. And check out the back of this. Figured we go with something a little funny. Unsupervised adult playing with expensive tools. You guys know how dangerous you are. Nice chest patch of the logo. I'm actually wearing one. We're gonna have it in Next Level clothing. If you guys have ever worn a Next Level shirt, they're Next Level shit. But they're gonna be like a charcoal gray. So that's the first thing I wanted to cover. The next thing I wanted to cover is who's gonna win this machine. Let's get out of here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to enter in all of your invoice numbers into this random picker. And then we're gonna use it that way. Don't mind the focus and the camera. I'm doing everything by hand here. So I'm going to grab this Excel spreadsheet that I created off of all of your invoice numbers. Those of you who purchase more than one, say your invoice number was 123, and maybe you bought $50 worth. So it's going to be 1231, 1234, 1234, you know, just like that. So it'll go in sequential order. And let me go to my, sorry guys, I'm watching the camera, I'm watching everything at the same time here. House of Lasers. Open up my raffle here real quick. And we're just going to select all of our invoices. And we're going to drop these into the selector. Copy. Paste them. All right, guys. I don't know if you guys are ready yet, so let's go check on this graphic. So I really wanted to make sure that you guys know that it is running, working, able to produce some pretty badass graphics. Highly capable machine. Cleaned up nicely. We have your stuff getting ready to be packed up. Your Rotoboss, your AC Infinity, your air compressor. I want to do a huge shout out to Lightburn, Rotoboss, Beam Buddy, American Photronics, everybody that has chipped in to make this thing possible. These are all great companies. We got one Canadian company. We won't hold that against them. Other American companies making really, really cool stuff for the laser industry. All right, guys. I don't have a drum roll. I'm not prepared. So 18105. Who is that? One 105. Let's type it in. 105. Actually, that means you bought 5 tickets. Dave Manning. Dave Manning is our lucky winner. He bought 10 tickets and he pulled it off. Guys, I know this was a risk for 10 bucks or whatever you guys paid. We're gonna run some other stuff like this, but Dave Manning, congratulations. Awesome job. We will be packing up and contacting you and seeing how you want it shipped. Guys, I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe. You subscribing and getting me to that 1,000 mark and over and liking our videos is going to allow me to continue to make cool content and give away stuff and do this for you. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. This was nerve-wracking, but we did it. And I appreciate everybody that chipped in. We are going to, after we ship it and find out how much shipping is costing us, we're going to be right around the $1,000 mark going to Blue Line Bears. Great charity, awesome stuff that Megan does, creating bears for fallen officers. So guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being part of House of Lasers. Get your swag, and we're going to do this again. I just happen to have, so we may be doing this again. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Again, congratulations, Dave Manning. Awesome job.